Polkadot cannot be added directly to Metamask because it is not an EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine blockchain. However, it is possible to integrate Polkadot with Metamask by using Metamask snaps. Snaps are a feature that allows developers to extend Metamask's functionality, and there are snaps available that enable Metamask users to interact with Polkadot and other substrate-based blockchains. While Metamask doesn't natively support Polkadot, you can use snaps to manage your Polkadot accounts and assets directly within Metamask. Alternatively, Polkadot also has wallet options that work similarly to Metamask. Talisman and Polkagate are popular Polkadot-compatible wallets available as browser extensions. These wallets provide similar functionality to Metamask, allowing you to interact with Polkadot in a familiar environment. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to set up Talisman, a Polkadot-compatible wallet, to manage your Polkadot assets. Step 1. Go to Talisman official website via the link in this video description. Step 2. Click the Download Wallet button. Step 3. Click the Add to Chrome button. Step 4. Click the Get Started button. Step 5. Enter a new password and click the Continue button. Step 6. Click the Enter Talisman button. Step 7. Click the Add Account button. Step 8. Click on the New Polkadot Account tab. Step 9. Click on the Acknowledge and Continue button. Step 10. Write down your recovery phrase and never share it with anyone. Remember to back up your recovery phrase. Step 11. Verify your recovery phrase and click the Complete Verification button. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.